In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or off Amazon email notifications. We'll walk through the process to ensure you have complete control over the emails you receive from Amazon. Whether you'd like to stop those constant marketing emails or ensure you're kept in the loop with the latest offers, I've got you covered. First, let's start by signing into your Amazon account. Open your preferred web browser and head to Amazon.com or Amazon.ph, depending on your location. Once there, log in using your credentials. This is your first step toward managing your email notifications, so make sure you have your login information ready. If you're already signed in, you're one step ahead. Once you've successfully logged in, find your way to your communication preferences. To do this, look to the top right corner of the homepage. You'll want to hover your mouse over the option labeled Accounts and Lists. As you hover, a drop-down menu will reveal itself. From here, click on Your Account. This will bring you to a page filled with various account settings and options. Next, we're looking for the Communication and Content section. It's here that you're going to click on Communication Preferences. This is where the real customization happens, so it's crucial to navigate to this specific area. Take a moment to let the page load, and you'll see a variety of settings related to the different communications Amazon can send you. Moving on to adjusting your email preferences. Within the email section, you'll notice several options laid out for you. If you're looking to stop receiving those never-ending marketing emails, go ahead and uncheck the box next to Do not send me any marketing email. If, on the other hand, you want to start receiving those emails again, simply check that box. It's all about tailoring your experience to your preferences. Additionally, if there are other types of communications, such as order updates or promotional offers that you're interested in managing, this is the perfect place to do that. Finally, let's make sure the changes you've decided on are saved. After you've made your selections, a critical last step, look for the Save button and click it to confirm and update your preferences. This will ensure Amazon respects your choices about the kind of emails you'd like to receive. Saving your changes is a straightforward but crucial step. Without this, all your tweaks might not take effect. There you have it. You've now successfully navigated through adjusting your Amazon email notifications, giving you control over the communications you receive. Whether it's reducing your inbox clutter or staying informed about the latest deals, you've got Amazon email preferences at your fingertips. Thanks for following along, and now you can manage your Amazon emails with ease.